welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is actually another sponsored video, and I am very excited about this one because if you are new to my channel or just new to me in general, let me introduce myself. My name is Tiffany and I am a skincare junkie. I'm just very big into skincare. I love makeup and hair and all that stuff too, but skincare is like so near and dear to my heart. Like, I'm just super excited for this video just to tell you guys how this journey has been using this particular company. So today I'm going to be working in partnership with Your Skincare, and I'm so excited. I've been using them for the past 30 days, and guys, we have so much to talk about. So we're just going to get right into it. So the first step in this process is to get your products, but it's to complete the skincare quiz. So you go online to their website, and then before you can order anything, because everything is customized for your skin, hence the name, but everything is customized for your skin and your skin type, your skincare concerns, all of the nitty-gritty. And so you're going to be taking like a quick little questionnaire, and they do get pretty detailed. So I would give myself, which I did, I gave myself about 10 minutes to complete the entire thing, and that way I knew, like, okay, whatever products they send me, this is for me, it's going to work with my routine, my problem areas, all that good stuff. So that's the first step. And then you get your products, and this was the exciting part for me because I just love unboxing brand new stuff. Even though like it's so basic and it's so simple, I just love opening new packages because I'm like, oh, I got something I gotta give, whatever. Open up the box, and it's so cute. The packaging is so nice and simple and clean. I love just clean, basic packaging because I'm like, I don't need all the bells and whistles sometimes with my skincare. I appreciate it because I know that companies kind of go the extra mile to do it, but I don't need it. I really just need the product itself to work. And I love how simple and clean the products look here. They look really nice on my not my vanity, the area that I keep all my skincare. The area that I keep all my skincare, it looks really nice on there. So that was like a plus for me. So that was good. So you get your skincare box, and it comes like this. Mine is a little dingy because I've kind of been using it, and she's about 30 days old. But nonetheless, you get your box, and it's very simple. It's very sleek packaging, and you just open it here, and it's gonna have your card on the inside with the information that you're gonna need to care for your skin. It tells you your morning and your nighttime routine with this card. The products that you need to use, the order that you need to use them, all of that. So if you are one that's like, I'm very simple, I don't like all the bells and whistles, I need to know what am I doing here, what am I doing there, girl, they're gonna tell you. Don't even worry about it. Granted, my products are already out of the box, but you would open up your packaging here and get your products. So now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about how they feel, how I feel like they work, all of that. So first, we're gonna go into the cleanser. This is step 1 of your skincare process. And it is just a really simple cleanser. I mean, I really can't say too much about it. It is a really nice jelly consistency. It's clear, which was a shocker to me. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be white and kind of creamy foamy, but it's not. I did use it morning and nighttime, so I used it twice a day. And my skin just felt really clean after I used it. It did not feel dry or stripped or anything like that. I have extremely oily skin, so it's very difficult, I'm not gonna lie, it's very difficult for companies to make products to make my skin feel stripped and dry. So whenever it happens, I'm like, whoa, your stuff is strong. But this right here, bomb.com. This, I could see myself like going to the store to purchase this one item alone if that was an option. But I really enjoyed this cleanser. It's very light and just simple, and I feel like, especially in the morning time, nighttime maybe a little bit different, but in the morning time especially, you really just need something to just clean your face from your like nighttime grime, you know, your sleep grime, whatever, and just get the nitty-gritty, the dirt off of your skin. And I really feel like this does a great job of just cleaning off that fresh layer or that yeah, that fresh layer of dirt that's on top of your skin. This gets an A+ for me. The second item is the day cream. So the day cream, I love the packaging. I love the pump that it comes with. I feel like I'm getting everything out. I love the how it feels. I love everything. Now, this is something that I think is an issue for a lot of different companies. Sunscreen on black skin, it just does not work sometimes, most times, all the time, with the traditional formula that people use. This, I did not find much of a difference with this one being different from the other ones. This left my skin gray, blue for the day. I mean, the entire day. Like, it did not go away. An hour, 2, 4, 7 hours later, it was still grayish blue. And I was like, okay, not gonna lie. I mean, I stuck through it and I used it the entire 31 day time frame. But guys, this was like, I could not wait, and I know this sounds so bad, but I could not wait to not use this, only because, literally only because of the sunscreen issue. My skin was not oily. I didn't feel like it was heavy. It was only the fact that my skin was like grayish blue because of the sunscreen. I kind of wish that it was separate so that I could still use this, but yeah, for me, the day cream was a no thank you. Sad to say, but it's true. So that kind of sums up my morning time routine, and now let's get into the nighttime routine. So again, at night, I will go in with my cleanser, number 1. But of course, not using the day cream, I would go into my step 3 item, which is my serum. So guys, this serum, I love this serum. I still use it even though it's past the 30-day time frame, whatever. I still use this serum. I only use it at nighttime, and I love this serum so much. I love the consistency of it. I love that it's like packed with everything that I need for my skin because it was personalized just for me. I love this serum so much. After I put it on my face, I let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and it just made my skin look so plump and like youthful and just dewy, but without looking greasy and oily. I love this. I love it so much. And then my last piece of skincare from this company, and my last step in my nighttime routine, is the night cream. This cream right here, I'm not even gonna hold you. Hands down, one of the best night creams I've ever tried. I love the packaging, love it. I love this little like pump thing, and it just comes right out for you. I love that. I love that I don't have to dig my finger in there. I hate doing that with like creams and stuff. I hate it because I feel like whatever germs or whatever you have on your skin is getting right back into the container, and I just think that's so gross. This obviously does not do that. It gives you the perfect amount, no more, no less. It's perfect. It was enough for me to put on my face and my neck. So I was just very pleased with this cream right here. My 2 favorite things from this collection, if you haven't guessed already, are the serum and the night cream. I really feel like these 2 things cohesively together kind of helped bring my skin to a nice balanced point. My skin is not necessarily clear, like 100% clear. It's getting there, but it's not there just yet. But I feel like to get it on a nice, even, leveled playing field, those 2 are kind of taking the cake for me right now. They are taking the cake. All right, guys, now that we got that squared away, let's go ahead and talk about how to enter this giveaway. By the way, this is my first giveaway ever, so I'm really excited. I'm nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. I had a really good experience with this brand and these products, and I would really love to bring that joy to one of you for free. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit of what my nighttime routine looks like. This is just me doing the nighttime skin portion. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the details of this giveaway. So like I said, it's my first one ever and I'm super excited. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. And I tried to make it as simple as possible because I just want to give this away to somebody, honestly. Like, I'm just so ready to give this away. So step one, you have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube, following me on Instagram and TikTok as well. All of my handles will be in the description box below. And all you have to do is comment on either this YouTube video or an Instagram picture of your choosing. Either one, it's fine. And you're going to say, "Hey, your skin," tagging the brand, "I want in." That's it. Keeping it nice and simple and short and sweet and to the point. You can have multiple entries and that's perfectly fine, up to 5 per person. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I mean, that's it. So be following me on all of my social media handles, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Comment on either the Instagram photo of your choosing or this YouTube video saying, "Hey, your skin, I want in." That gets you your submission and you have up to 5 times to enter this giveaway. It will run for a 2-week time frame and I will announce the winner on my Instagram story and I'm just excited. So let's get it. The giveaway is going to run for a 2-week time frame and I'll be announcing the winner on my Instagram story. If you choose to not enter the giveaway but you still want to get these products, that's perfectly fine. I'm going to have a coupon to get $20 off in the description below. So be sure to check that out. But if you're like, "Girl, I want to enter the giveaway. I want to try to see if I can get it for free," that's cool too. Go ahead and enter the giveaway. And we're going to see how this whole thing plays out. Thank you so much, Your Skin, for sponsoring this video and for gifting some lucky winner out there a free Your Skin kit as well as the $20 off coupon. Thank you guys so much. But yeah, I had a really good experience. I don't know how many times I need to say it, but I had a really good experience with them. My skin is looking pretty good and I'm really feeling it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.